Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV Q80A. In this video I'll show you how to uninstall apps from your TV. In the beginning, all of your apps that are installed are shown on the main bar at the bottom of the screen. Also, we can go to Apps section, go to the bottom of the list, and you can find them here as well. If you want to uninstall app, aim for it, press OK button, press and hold OK button, and now select delete. Confirm and install. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.